Well, hello everyone. Welcome. We're taking the beast out for its first maiden voyage with all the new components on there. I know the suspension isn't going to be great, so I'm already trying to feel what I want to tell my guy when I actually do get to him and see him next week. So yeah, let's get out and see. I think it's, like I said, I don't think it's gonna be great, but it'll be something. Ugh. I'm wondering if I'm actually gonna have a clean run all through here. A lot of bicyclists. So I rode it the other night, and I mentioned how bouncy it felt, and I adjusted the damping and stuff incorrectly, or rebound and compression incorrectly. So I did it correctly this time, and it feels noticeably better. When I accelerate out of a turn, I don't squat nearly as much in the rear, which is good. It just feels so much more planted. And I'm right now, without the stuff being dialed in, the suspension feels just such another level. The wheels, weight reduction, I can feel that as we turn in. The other night, I was turning in, and it was beyond... fucking stupid. People just don't know how to read. But everything just feels so much better. The brakes have finally settled in, and I mean, like, they are one finger use, and they're just drag them a little bit and then come out of it. Oh my god, the brakes are just so good. Woo. I feel like I could be so much more flowy with this bike than I could before. Even though it was rather good before, it's even better now. And we're not even dialed in yet. That's Saturday. We dialed in on Saturday, and I'll show you that whole process with Joel at On Any Moto and go over what it's like to properly set up the suspension. Now, I did promise that I can't give away all of the secret sauce, because if one of you tries to do his steps and your suspension does something weird, we can't be held liable for whatever you did. So I can't show you everything, but I can show you enough to get in trouble, as they say. But yeah, really looking forward to that. Just to get everything just that next level and dialed into, to me. I've never had a bike that was set up specifically for me, suspension wise. And I tell you what, building this thing has been a lot of fun. You know, at one point I stopped wanting to do modifications to things. It was because it was a car. After everything I did, I sold it and didn't get obviously anything back for the work and the money I put into it. And I was like, well, screw this. I'm not upgrading things anymore. I've forgotten how much fun it is, and the sense of pride and accomplishment you get from doing stuff. Like, I've never done the wheels, I've never done the rotors, I've never put on a fork or any of that stuff. So to do that, it just felt good. I really enjoyed it. So, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the process. You know, we'll have more to come for sure. Oh man, look at you. I'm going to pull over somewhere nice. thing is just so smooth. And yes, we are gonna go with an Aero exhaust and a Brembo tune, and we're gonna give her a little more power, but really we're gonna smooth it out. We're gonna make it even better to ride, and I am very much looking forward to that. Also, once the braking miles are done, I'm gonna swap this to GP shift because I like that so much better. But yeah, so this shakedown, I mean, it's not really a shakedown, I've already done one of those. But this next ride that I'm doing here, now that I got a little bit of open space, whew, it's a potent weapon, that's for damn sure. And it just feels so good. I wanted to bring this to a level that I felt the R was, and so far I've gotten there. Oh, God, is that good. Whew. Man, what a blast. Got a dude on a MT-09 or MT-10 it looked like behind me. So, wonder if he had some fun following me up. Or not. I thought he would have stopped, but I guess not. Interesting. Fine, don't be friendly. Oh, guys, let's put this right there in the sun. Oh, God. Whew. What do we think? Hauling on 1 horsepower. Whew. Yes, sirs and ladies. She feels good, man. The forks, the shock, everything just feels really good. I gotta adjust that. I don't know if I gotta move that up or not, but everything just, the plantedness. I can't wait to get this out on track. I'm gonna try to get in mid next month, mid-December. I'm gonna see if I can get out there and do a really good track session out there. Trying to get back into shape so I can, but whew, look at you. Gorgeous. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of the build so far? What would you do? Do you agree with getting a base and then building it, or are you like an S and kind of leaving it as is? Let me know. And then subscribe. Yeah. So much content finally coming out. It's been a while, and I'm so glad to be back on 2 wheels. But with that, you have a good one. Bye-bye.